See, yesterday there was a debate on difficult dialogues on Goa's tourism policy. I was one of the participants for that debate. My point was that a tourism policy is being framed by the government without taking stakeholders into confidence. Now, this is amply clear that the chief minister doesn't want to take a local MLA into confidence. What type of tourism is he trying to evolve? When he is not taking his own MLA into confidence, forget opposition MLA, forget taking the people, forget taking the stakeholders. There is an agency called KPMG which is drafting Goa's tourism policy. They are drafting the policy but not meeting the stakeholders. Such policy will not hold. Whatever that the government decides has to be done by taking the stakeholders into confidence. The fact that the chief minister says that local MLAs, local representatives are not to be taken in confidence means he is a dictatorial stand, and this party is going to be taught a lesson in the 2017 elections.
Yes.